Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video guys, we're just focusing on the second question from the May-June Mathematics Paper 1 exam, Paper 2 rather, which was written in the year 2024. And I'm answering all these questions guys just to help you prepare for your upcoming exam. So please guys do watch all of the videos because I have two playlists for both memorandums in mathematics. And each of them have and each and every question rather have their own video altogether. So for paper 2, please do expect a total number of 10 videos, né? Okay, and guys, it's very important for you to know how to tackle exam questions. Believe me, you will have an edge whenever you write your final exam. So just share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge, and please help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay, 50 athletes need to access suitable training facilities. The table below shows the distances in kilometers that they need to travel to obtain access to suitable training facilities. Okay, we are given a grouped data. We are given our classes, and we are also given the frequencies are together. The first question, they want us to complete the cumulative frequency column. Okay, please note that guys, the first term on the cumulative frequency will be equal to the first term in the frequency column. So if we have 3 over there, we'll simply have 3 as well out together. The only difference will be the numbers that we will write over there out together. The first term will be 3 and the last term over there should be 50. Why? Because we are dealing with 50 athletes out together. But let's complete the entire column. Okay, for me to write the next term over here, I just need to say 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7, this will give me 10. 10 plus 20, this will give me 30. 30 plus 12, this will give me 42. 42 plus 5, that's 47. And 47 plus 3, and yes, we have 50 over there. Are we together? And then on the second question, they want us to draw a cumulative frequency diagram on the grid over there. Né? Please note that guys, for the cumulative frequency diagram, this over here is regarded as an x value, and the cumulative frequency is the corresponding y value. Né? So we have 10 and 10 as a complete point. 15 and 30 is a complete point. 20 and 42 is our complete point. Then we have 25 and 47. 30 and 50 is our complete point. Now, okay, firstly we have 5 and 3. That's 5 and 3 over there. And then we have 10 and 10. And then we have 15 and 30. There's 15 and there's 30 over there. And then there's 20 and 42. There's 20 over there. And then 42 is somewhere there. And then there's 25 and 47. 25 and 47. And then we have 30 and 50. That's 30 and 50 over there. Né? All we have to do guys is to just join these points. This is our octave, like this. That's our octave. Are we together? Okay, and then now they want us to draw, rather we are being asked to calculate the interquartile range. Né? For the interquartile range, I must know the upper quartile as well as the lower quartile are together, but I can find the position of both my upper quartile and my lower quartile, right? So I know that my upper quartile represents the 75th percentile of my data are together. So my upper quartile, all I have to do is to say number of I have to say the total number of athletes multiplied by 75%. Are you together? So the total number of athletes, that's 50 multiplied by 75%. This will simply give me 37.5. So I just need to go there and find 37.5, and then the corresponding x value is my upper quartile. 37.5 is somewhere there. I just need to find the corresponding x value. The corresponding x value over there, I simply have 17. So that's my upper quartile. Né? So my upper quartile is basically 17 minus, let's go and check the lower quartile. The lower quartile is at my 25th percentile. So for my lower quartile, I need to say number of term multiplied by 25%. 50 multiplied by 25%. This will simply give me 12.5. Né? 12.5 is somewhere there. I just need to go and find the corresponding x value. The corresponding x value is just 11. So therefore the interquartile range will simply be 6 kilometers. The interquartile range will simply be 6 kilometers. Nah? Okay, and then now we are told that the families of four of the athletes above who stay between 15 and 20 kilometers from the families of 4 athletes of the above stay between 15 and 20 kilometers from the suitable training facility. Decided to move 10 kilometers closer. Decided to move 10 kilometers closer to the facility. In which interval will the number of athletes increase? Okay. Since these athletes they are moving from this interval over there, né? Let me erase this. These athletes are moving from this interval. Are you together? And they are moving and they are moving to locations whereby they will be now 10 kilometers closer to the gym. Are you together? So if you are 10 kilometers closer to the gym, that means we must subtract 10 meters from your previous location. Are you together? So now these 4 athletes will be added in this interval over there. Are you together? These athletes will be added in those in that interval. So basically we are adding 4 athletes over there, and then we are subtracting 4 over there. So in total we will end up having 11, and over there will be 8 athletes. Okay, and then now they want us to calculate the estimated mean. For us to know how to find the estimated mean, we must first find the class midpoint. Are you together? How can you find the class midpoint? Let me call it CM. The class midpoint, you just find the average of your lower limits and the upper limits of your class. Né? So over there, you'll simply say 0 plus 5 divided by 2 will get 2.5. And then 5 plus 10, that's 15 over 2, that's 7.5. Do the same thing, you simply get 12.5, 17.5. Over there, you'll simply get 22.5, and then there is 27.5 as well. So this is my class midpoint, né? And I need my class midpoint for me to be able to calculate my estimated mean. Are you together? Okay, the answer over there, they'll move to the class whereby it's between 5 and 10. So for me to find my mean, guys, né? The estimated mean is equals to the sum of the class midpoint multiplied by our frequency all over n. Are you together? So I'll simply have the class midpoint, that's 2.5, multiplied by my frequency, I have 3, plus a class midpoint, that's 7.5, multiplied by the frequency, plus 12.5 multiplied by the frequency plus 17.5 multiplied by, remember that, guys, we have moved learners now, né? So on the second class we no longer have 7 but we have 11 of them. Are we together? and then on the on the excuse me, on the fourth class rather, we no longer have 12 learners but we have 8 because the 4 has moved to the second class. Okay, so it's class midpoint multiplied by the frequency plus 22.5 multiplied by 5 plus 27.5 multiplied by 3, all over the total number of athletes, which is just 50. So this will simply give me the estimated mean, the estimated average traveled by the athletes. So that's 2.5 multiplied by 3 plus 7.5 multiplied by 11 plus 12.5 multiplied by 20 plus 17.5 multiplied by 8 plus 22.5 multiplied by 5 plus 27.5 multiplied by 3, all over 50. So this will simply give me an estimated mean of 13.5 kilometers. That's how, guys, you're supposed to deal with the second question. I really hope that the video helped you out, and yeah, just stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.